Today we are going to talk about how to install Notepad++ program on Windows operating system, especially on Windows 11. For that, search with Notepad++ on your favorite browser and click the first option here. I am clicking it. Now we are on the website notepad++.org. We are already inside the download section and I will click the first link. Now let us click the green download button. Now the file is downloaded. It is not a big file. Let us click the installer file. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Language English is okay for me. Click next. I agree to the license, so I am clicking I agree. Default location is fine for me. If you want the file location or the program location other than C drive, you can change the location. I will click next. The default options are fine for me. I will click next. I will click create shortcut on desktop because I want shortcut. Click install. The program is now installed. Now run Notepad++. It is already selected. If I click finish, it will open. You see the program is now open. If I click file new and close the previous one, you can write any file here or any code and file and save as the particular file. That is the way to use Notepad++, but it is important to know how to open any file with Notepad++. For that, for example, I have some HTML file which currently opens with Firefox, but I want to open it with Notepad++. So I will right click. If you do not have the option here, if you install Notepad++ for the first time, you may not have the option here. For that, what you need to do is open with here and choose another app. And if you do not have the Notepad++ option here on the list, then what you need to do is choose an app on your PC, click. Now here in the program files folder, you will find Notepad++. Here double click inside the folder and click the .exe file. Now you will have this option here. Then select this option and click always. Now all the .html file will be opened with Notepad++ if you double click. So if I double click any file here, it will be opened by Notepad++. But if you want to open this file, for example with Firefox, you can click Firefox and it will open in the browser. So that is in short how to use Notepad++ for code editing. For some reason, if you want to uninstall Notepad++, for that click start and uninstall and remove programs. Here search for Notepad++ and here click uninstall. Click yes. Click uninstall. I do not want to keep my custom settings, so I will click no. If you want, you click yes. Then click close. So this is how you can install Notepad++ in your Windows operating system. That is all for today. Thanks everyone.